Hi, my name's Ronit Pardo. I am a vintage hunter, treasure seeker. I source vintage pieces and design pieces for interior decorators, private clients, and welcome to my place in the heart of Saint-Germain, Paris, in the iconic Sixth Arrondissement. In this place, what actually dictated my choice of furniture was the color scheme. So in light of that, let's see what I've actually done. Here in the entrance hall, everything started from the floor. It's a pink stone base with Bordeaux marble, black stone and brass inlays, and it's pixelated to reiterate the stained glass windows that we have here. And also what we wanted was to have lots of things that were very geometric and went in with the color tone. We decided to paint the entrance in a very subtle blush nude color, and we continued that color into the living room. So here we are in the living room, and this is my beautiful dog, Anuka. She's the love of my life. And we entertain a lot. There's a lot of seating in here. There's no central coffee table, but there are lots of side tables, and they open up like this. Absolutely love them, and they're a really rare find. The rug is unique because it's a really weird shape, but I absolutely loved the design of it. I love these wall sconces. They're a bit space age, but not really. Very unusual, and I would have a hard time ever getting rid of them. These chairs are Spanish from the 1960s, and I chose them because of the color. I really wanted something red in here to go with the rest of the apartment. The first thing you really notice in this place is the color. You have this Bordeaux, something that I really, really wanted. So this room is what we call the library, and what I mainly do is I work in this room. I chose the Sarin because I wanted something round. It's a great classic design. The chairs are swivel chairs, super comfortable. Right here is a very traditional marble fireplace and an Art Deco vase. These are Swedish from the 60s. This is a really iconic piece, and it's made in camel skin or something, and gives a great lighting. And the other piece that we have in here, it's actually my dog's. See what she does to the furniture? It's a living apartment that just happens to have some great design pieces. So this room is in transition. It's transitioning into a big family room, so next time you come, hopefully it will be finished. This room we did also in the same color as in the library, and it's this deep, rich hue of Bordeaux. But what I really wanted to show you was this dining table that I designed myself. It has two brass legs, very sculptural, quite masculine, and the tabletop, it's green marble, very beautiful. It's 3 meters long. It's 400 kilos worth of marble here. So welcome to my bedroom, the pinkest bedroom you'll ever see. Pink carpet, pink walls. Of course, no Parisian flat would really be a Parisian apartment if it didn't have just a little balcony with these amazing views. This is quintessentially Paris. But design-wise, this bedroom's really all about this little vignette here. We've got feminine, we've got the vintage jewelry, we've got these amazing design vintage piece that works so well with the classic, fireplace. This really is my intimate little space, and that's what I think that, a bedroom is ultimately should be. It's your sacred space. So what I love about my job is finding pieces that my clients are going to cherish as much as everything that I cherish in my home. So thank you so much for spending the time to visit my home and my little slice of Paris.
Okay, we're getting down to business. If you enjoyed that video, you gotta like it and subscribe. And we'll see you here on YouTube.